I see him.
Oh my gosh.
It's Santa. It's Santa.
Look, he's
Santa. I see him. It's Santa. I saw him. It's Santa. Santa.
Wave at him, wave at him.
Look at that.
Wave at him, Mama.
Santa.
Oh my gosh.
Santa.
He's
Look,
running.
Oh my God.
Come on.
Hey, go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Hurry. I saw him. I just saw him. Santa.
He's not gonna come in and give you your toys.
Hurry.
Hurry.
He's going to see my presents.
Yeah, go to sleep.
Yeah, go to sleep. I'm going to go.
Go to sleep.
Wake up, Jeffrey, and I saw him. He's a bird in the bag. I don't know where. I saw him running.
Oh my gosh.
Go to sleep. Hurry, yeah, go, run.
I'm gonna go to sleep too.
Go. Damn, see.
Okay, go to sleep.
Is that Santa, Mama?
Yeah, I want him to see me. I never saw his red shirt before. Now I saw him here. I really wanted to see him.
You wanted to see him, right?
Yes.
Oh my God, go to sleep.
Right.
Close your eyes.
Hurry, Dad, go to sleep.
Hurry so you can bring your presents.
Just close your eyes.
Go to sleep.
Go to Mom. Santa's hand. I'm kidding, that's just your hand.
Yeah, go to sleep. Go to sleep because he's not gonna come.
Okay.
Good night.